So you've managed to get your hands on the current model ISUZU D-MAX. Well, great choice. Equipping it with the very best snorkel available on the market, well, that's a no-brainer. You want a raised, watertight, rammed air intake offering engine protection against water and dust ingress, and you want efficiency. And you want it to be as cutting edge as your new D-MAX. Well, I've got some really good news for you from the world's best. Safari 4x4, the standard for four-wheel drive vehicle snorkels, introduce the ARMAX for D-MAX. This is the first completely new redesign of the air ram head from Safari since their inception in 1981. I mean, and just look at this thing, you can see it's highly developed, really well engineered, a beautiful piece of kit. Aesthetically, I reckon it's as sexy as hell. And this thing means business. This is a big snorkel, and you know, wearing that ARMAX badge means that it's a big step up in performance and efficiency from your standard specification. But where this thing will really excel when it's buddied up with a turbo improvement, an exhaust improvement, an ECU upgrade. In fact, this complete ARMAX for D-MAX assembly will deliver 32% more airflow to your airbox assembly. And using the most modern technologies, this ARMAX airhead ram, if you like, went through significant FEA, CFD and NVH simulations. This thing ain't no fluke, and the net result is the most efficient air ram to date. And it's robust construction, robust fitment, and how's this? Just check the body to snorkel fitment. Beautiful work. Built to last, this thing's manufactured using Safari's own industrial spec UV stabilised polyethylene along with stainless fixtures, which is designed as a component to last the same lifetime as your car. And it's not all about the external. To deal with a really critical integration of the snorkel through to your factory airbox, Safari supply this EPDM CAD designed and engineered rubber, super high quality, and it's designed, look at that, to give an absolutely perfect seal. And my favourite bit, all of this from an Aussie family-owned company, and these snorkels are made right here in Australia. If you're serious about your D-MAX, just like Safari has been with the design of this ARMAX snorkel, there simply is no other choice.